Hello, my name is Arnold Adame. I'm the pipe fitting instructor here at Mechanic Careers Institute. A little bit about pipe fitting, what the class is about. It's entry-level position pipe fitter. All right, we teach the NCCER Level 1 book out of 4. We'll teach a little bit of the Blue Book. We teach a little bit of mathematics and some isometric, piping isometric drawings. We're going to teach you how to fabricate enough to get you the foot in the door in the business and keep your foot in there. We're going to teach you how to read prints. We're going to teach you how to cut pipe. Anybody can cut pipe with a beveling machine. I'm going to teach you how to cut pipe by hand, how to do proper bevels, how to prep for joints, how to do takeoffs. That way you can do fabrication. Other than that, very simple class. All you have to do is apply yourself to it and be here every day. That way you can learn as much as you can.